I'm a wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Danielle wig by NV in the color Chocolate Cherry. Now, I haven't combed Danielle or done anything to her really. I just took her right out of the box, which is why the curls are so tight and she looks so short compared to the model photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently comb her out on camera for you. Now, Danielle is a heat-friendly synthetic human hair blended fiber wig, and so because of that, you can heat style this to have a different curl pattern, or you can just style it straight if you're in the mood for a nice straight kind of shaggy cut. But this wig does come with a curl in it from the factory, so it will be curlier than what you see in the model pictures when you get it home at first. But man, she's got some potential. I mean, I think she looks really pretty right out of the box, especially after you comb her and play around with her a little bit and get your wig cap properly tucked underneath the wig. But yeah. Oh, I think Danielle is adorable. What a cute cut. And I actually really love the texture it comes with out of the box because I love curly wigs. This reminds me of my natural hair texture actually. So one thing that I want to mention for certain is that this hair feels beautiful. I mention that in every review I do of the NV hair, but that's because it feels gorgeous. Like it just has a very luscious, satiny texture to it. And you know, you want to treat this, you know, wash it, care for it, style it like it's a heat-friendly synthetic all over, because that's about 70% of the material of this wig, okay? And the other 30% is human hair, and what that human hair does is it helps discharge some of the static that builds up in the fiber so it doesn't get all clumptastic as you wear it, which is a common problem, especially in longer heat-friendly synthetic wigs. So that human hair really keeps that to a minimum. So let's talk some specs. I love the way the front of this wig is cut. It's a 4-inch bang, but I mean, it gets progressively longer. So it's definitely meant to be swept off to the side, though you could always have a stylist cut a bang into it if you wanted. The crown down is 7.5 inches, the sides are 8, and the nape is 8.75 inches. But it definitely wears shorter than that right outside of the box because, I mean, it's curled. So let me go ahead and do a 360 so I can show you what Danielle looks like on all sides. This chocolate cherry color looks beautiful on this wig. It is not as bright or crazy looking as the Jarno chocolate cherry, so it's a very lovely sort of color. It's definitely got that highlight in it. The base color, it's a really nice warm medium brown. Very pretty color on this wig, and it is rooted. You can see this wig also has a monofilament top. Look at how nice that mono top is. I'm gonna zoom in on that for you. That is a nice thick mono top. We like that. That's beautiful. And then here is the lace front on Danielle. It starts off a little sparse and then gradually gets thicker as you get towards the monofilament features. And that's actually my wig cap that you see right there. I love the way the layering is cut on this one, especially right in front of the face. Let me bring that down a little bit so I can show you. Like, look at that. Look at how that's cut. So if you wore this straight and down, that'd be kind of awesome. It'd be very, very cute. So this wig has a ton of styling potential. It's heavily layered. It's got a really cute front on it. It's got a lot of very nice cap features, and the hair fiber itself is really great. So I really like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take Danielle off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Isn't it crazy sometimes about how they go to all this trouble to make the model photos look a certain way, and sometimes in real life the wig actually looks cuter still than what they managed to capture in the pictures? I think that's basically what we've got going on here with Danielle. I just love the texture on this. And look how pretty this chocolate cherry is. How you get that dark color here at the nape, and then you get more of the highlight near the top with the rooting. Super cute. So anyway, here is the lace front. Monofilament top. It's a single mono top. It's just very, very thickly threaded on this sample wig. We've got open wefts on the sides, open wefts on the back. We also have an extended felt nape with a hook enclosure in the back, and we've got nice felt here on the ear tabs. Go ahead and straighten her out a little bit with my fingers and put her back on. And there you have it. This is the adorable Danielle wig from Envy in the color Chocolate Cherry. This is an Envy hair wig, so it is something you can style with heat. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you like what we're doing here, and if so, please be sure to check out our wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.